Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix cannot remove a language from Windows. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. Find problematic language. Copy second command from description and paste it. Copy third command from description and paste it. Type problematic language tag. Copy fourth command from description and paste it. Copy fifth command from description and paste it. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.